Our company was founded in 1966, and during that time we've seen some remarkable changes in how commercial construction is designed and built. The biggest challenges contractors have today is schedule and time. They're expected to build buildings in a much shorter amount of time.
Contractors have a million deadlines. With pre-install, we can get in, we can get out, and they can move on to the next project. We have gone from doors and hardware needing to be installed within 2 weeks to them being installed within 2 days.
From the beginning, we've strived to be innovative. In fact, we've just added the 75,000 square feet to help accommodate our new pre-installation line. This new pre-installation line is so effective and so efficient that doors aren't lifted by human hands until they're on a job site.
We started out on sawhorses. Now we're fully automated with vacuum lifters. When I hear pre-installation, I think stress-free, I think efficiency, and I think no-brainer. The time savings that we've been able to create are huge. We went from a process that took hours to now a process that takes minutes. What Beacon's doing in this industry is cutting edge.
Well, I've been doing hardware the old way for the last 20 years, and last 3 years since I've been at Beacon, I've got to enjoy the benefits of having pre-install to where I don't have to do a lot of packing and moving hardware around. I just get to take the door to the opening, swing it, and it saves a lot of time for us.
One of the benefits of pre-install is it allows us to catch any errors, any discrepancies, any problems that could come up with the doors and the hardware before they even hit the job site.
If Amazon and Ford were to have a baby,
it would definitely be Beacon's pre-installation services.
One of the tools that we've implemented is a software that allows our on-site installation team and our project management team to see real-time the progress and status of our installation on-site.
While our competitors are okay with the status quo, Beacon insists on being innovative to give our customers the best project success that they could have. So now with our investment in our laser cutter, we are able to reduce our reliance on our manufacturers, which greatly improves our lead times.
If you want to see innovation, you need to come check out our hollow metal production line. From our people, our equipment, and the technology that they use, we are able to produce high quality frames faster and better than ever before. We're really excited about the addition of Rex Williams & Sons as part of our company. They bring with them 80 plus years of expertise in providing Division 10 products. Products like lockers, bathroom partitions, and a variety of accessories. We have an extensive inventory that allows us to provide solutions for our customers in commercial doors, frames, and hardware in Division 10. So when our customers need solutions, we have answers.